So, hey y'all, it's your girl Jay. Welcome back to the video. Happy Monday to you all. I am back on your channel once again. Y'all didn't think y'all was going to see me this one, but yeah, I'm here. But anyway, today I'm sharing with you a quick little upcycle that I did. It took me 5 minutes to do. Okay? 5 minutes. And it's with a Thrift Flip. This is a thrift. Sorry, this is a thrift flip. Okay? So I went to the Goodwill and I found some shorts. I knew I couldn't fit them, but I liked them anyway. So what I did here was I just made it up because I didn't know what I was probably gonna do with it. And y'all might be this, but okay, this might be my last one for a flip. Okay? So I thought I'd share it. So welcome to my new subscribers. I am so glad you're here. So anyway, I'm sharing with y'all. You see the bell. So if you want to see the video, make sure you you let me know what you think. Yep. It's real nice, y'all. I like the belt, and I hope you do too. I hope you like this quick little video that I'm about to share with you. And I'm just gonna work on some other stuff. That's why my room is, looking like this. But it ain't that bad, y'all. I did want to share with y'all. I did do my bucket hat. I can't too long because I got a little run up here. But here it is. So y'all see. Okay, and it says. So with that said, y'all, let's get into this video. Jay so talented. I don't know, but we doing a lot of cycling over here. See y'all in the next video. Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel it calling midnight. You got the best of me. So as you can see here, you guys, I'm just cutting up the shorts to fit what I think will work. I won't be using any of the front of the shorts at all. So here I'm just cutting down the waistband. I'm cutting around it, should I say. And yeah, cutting off what I don't need, the excess material here, and or fabric, should I say. And yeah, that's all I'm doing. And I kind of like cut the center part out. You saw that of the shorts. And now I'm cutting off any excess parts around the pockets that I don't need. So yeah, I'm just making sure, as I'm getting close, because I want the pockets to show on the side. So I'm just cutting it around, cutting everything off, making it look neat right here. Just cleaning up some edges, deciding how I want it to look. So do I need to cut that off? Yeah, let me chalk it a little bit and cut it off, because like I said before or later in the video, I don't want to do any sewing at all. The only thing I want to sew is the waistband. So because I need to add a little bit to make it wide enough, because these shorts did not fit me, but I need to make the band wide enough to fit me. So as you can see in the video, at the end of the video, you will see that process. And then I just sewed that, took some pieces off of the bottom of the shorts, and right there where I'm cutting, I took those pieces off of there later on. I cut those two pieces off and put them on the shorts to match the other side. And yeah, I'm checking it out. That's the pieces that I'm cutting now that I'm going to use for the waistband. And I took those and went to the sewing machine, sewed them together, and created an extended waistband. So, and then right here, I'm deciding about putting these little, I don't know what they are called, I don't know, but I'm going to glue them on there as well. Then I realized, okay, I need to cut this in half and make it two, just like on the other side. So I did that, and then I glued them back down. So as you guys can see, I just had a ball doing this really quick DIY utility belt, or whatever belt you want to wear it with, whatever you want to wear it with. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very helpful. Let's get into the next part. So here, after I ironed down
the fabric, I decided to use some E6000. I didn't want to sew it. So yeah, that's what I did. I just ironed it, made a crease so I would know where the glue was going to go. And then I just put the glue on there, folded it over, and pressed it down and let it dry. So, um, hope this helps.
Now I know. Can we trace the stars above to